Take a ride in
the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, power moonroof, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.